Mũmbunge mũthure wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Yatta Robert Goye nĩ ambĩrĩirie wĩra agĩtonya matũũra-inĩ na kũrugũria mũbango wa gũtambĩria aikari internet. Gũtambio kwa internet gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmbunge nĩ ũnyitanĩri na tabarĩra ya thirikari nene ĩrĩa yũĩkaine ta Njĩra Digital, andũ ethĩ magĩtanywo kũgunĩka makĩria.
So ideally e-commerce is going to be real, whereby many people are going to utilize. Borders are going to have jobs through using mobile technology. So free Wi-Fi is going to be launched in Yatta in all schools. So this will be the first in the country, and I'm happy within partnership with ICT Authority of Kenya, we are doing this together.
Ceceni-inĩ cia thirikari iria iheanaga motungata ma mũingĩ nĩ kũmwe gwa kũrĩa intaneti ĩno ĩtambĩtio, kũrĩa gũgũkorwo gũkĩhe andũ ethĩ gĩthomo gĩa kompyuta nĩguo mahote kwĩyandĩka.
You know, many youths before they join universities, majority of them do not benefit from ICT or computer learning. So with the resource centers, most the youths in my constituencies are going to learn free computers. Actually, some of them will go with the certificate in computer management, and that is in courtesy with ICT Authority of Kenya. So as a member of parliament, I'm really in support of this exercise. Today we have launched it. We have started with the AIC Kidimani. We have done in the DCC offices here in Yatta. We are moving to the police. We are also going to do it in the health centers.
Kũngĩ gwa kũrĩa intaneti ĩtanyĩtwo gwĩkĩrwo nĩ kũndũ ta mathoko-inĩ nĩguo onjoria mahote kwandandũra wonjoria wao nginyagia mĩtambo-inĩ ya nenda.
And also in the markets. So ideally we are connecting the constituency with the rest of the country in a digital way, and is part of the government blueprint of 2032. So in principle, Yatta will be the first. It's actually a role model in the entire county to have the first digital, where free Wi-Fi is in schools, and the women will be able to market their produce, particularly the trenders who are in Kidimani and other parts of Yatta. When it comes to school, the CBC program requires students to be able to access internet. So once we provide free internet in schools, at least our young ones who are learning in primary schools, they'll be able to utilize the free Wi-Fi.
Gũkĩrĩ ũũ wabici ya mũmbunge ũyũ ĩriũngĩte matũũra-inĩ na kũrĩa aikari meyandĩkithie nĩguo matambĩrio internet. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.